Who is your favorite for March Madness?
All right, my favorite is going to be Alabama. They have the best offense in college basketball, and statistically, it's not even close. They're averaging 5 more points than anyone else in the country right now, and have had some of the best wins in college basketball, so that's why they're my favorite.
Who do you have for your dark horse?
My dark horse is St. John. March Madness, to me, comes down to elite coaching and high-level experience, and St. John has both of these, and I just think they have the best shot of getting to the Final Four out of all the other teams I could have picked for my dark horse.
Who's your favorite team to make a run?
I want to pick UConn. Dan Hurley is a great coach, and he obviously knows how to do well in March Madness. I think although they've struggled the regular season, they still have put together a decent enough season. They've put together some great wins, and I think you could see this team get to the Sweet 16 or even the Elite 8.